Do you know the difference between uncontested and contested divorce? This is another misnomer that I often hear. We want an uncontested divorce. This is why we're doing it on our own. We have full agreement on everything. In fact, uncontested cases do not require full agreement. In fact, 90% of people do not fully agree on everything when it comes to divorce. So, uncontested divorce cases just means you didn't go to a trial at the end of the case. Now, that means most everybody is an uncontested divorce, but that means some people did it really well and finished it quickly, reached agreements, had simple cases, had complicated cases, but used a mediator, stayed out of court, were really good about reaching those agreements no matter how complicated they are. And the other few percentage went to trial. And that's sometimes necessary for cases where there are either super complicated issues, conflicting opinions, or case law on these topics, domestic violence, abuse, fiduciary duty, breaches, things of that nature. Definitely those are going to end up often in court. They're able to find someone to assist them with it, usually with their attorneys in a settlement conference. And then they too would be an uncontested case. So that means even if you've gone through lots of little hearings along the way and you pivot at the end and reach an agreement without going to a trial at the end of your matter, you are an uncontested case. So lots of cases are uncontested. It's just a question of how they got there.